Welcome aboard. We are ready for departure.
This is an airport announcement.
Ice on left wing, Captain. De-icing before we move. No shortcuts. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain. We are navigating around a weather system. You are in safe hands. Sit back and trust your crew. Doha Tower, QR203 requesting delay for de-icing procedure. Approved QR203, runway clear in 20. De-icing complete, ready when you are. Checklist complete, we go when I say we go, not before. We must reroute due to the storm ahead. Turbulence at FL 350 row. We reroute. Passenger safety is non-negotiable. Severe weather ahead, advise. Tower, requesting deviation 30 miles north. We have 287 souls on board. This is Captain. Brace for turbulence. Matriji,